If you're facing an account restricted message on your Bunq business account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Bunq regarding your account status. They may have sent you important information or instructions that can help you understand why your account is restricted. Step 2. Log into your Bunq app. Open the Bunq app and log into your account. Navigate to the Notifications or Messages section to see if there are any alerts or messages that provide details about the restriction. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the s-rock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Contact Bunq support. If the issue persists, reach out to Bunq customer support. Use the in-app chat feature or visit their website to find contact options. Provide them with your account details and explain the restriction. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email and the app for updates. If you don't receive a response within a few days, consider following up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account restricted issue on your Bunq business account. If problems continue, staying in touch with customer support is crucial for a timely resolution.